Hi, in this video, we're going to solve a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2019. So let's go ahead and understand the problem. So here we have to find the value of lambda where we are having a linear equations or system of equation saying that it's have an infinite number of solution. Okay, and you have to find the value of lambda, and then you have to check that, right, that lambda, right, satisfy what equation, right? That's it. That's the problem. Very simple. So let's go ahead and proceed. So, the three equations. So first equation, right, that x plus y plus z equal to 6. The second equation, 4x plus lambda y minus lambda z is equal to lambda minus 2. And the third equation, 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5. So these are the three equations. Now when we get an equation, it can be rewritten as in the matrix form as Ax is equal to B, where A and B are the matrices, right, of some order. So A is the coefficient matrix, which order is 3 cross 3. X is the matrix of order 3 rows, 1 column. B is also 1 row, 3 row, 1 column. Okay, that's it. Let's go ahead. So here we first consider that where the matrix A is actually the all of the coefficient, right? So let's go ahead. So for the first case, right, it is all 1. Then for the second equation, right, it's 4 lambda and minus lambda. And for the third equation, we can say that it will be 3, 2 and minus 4. That's it. Now, what about X? So X is the matrix of 3 rows, 1 column, which contains the variable, right? The variables are X, Y, and Z. That's it. For B matrix, right, we'll go ahead and say that it contains, right, that all the constant in the right hand side, that is 6, lambda minus 2 and minus 5. That's it. So here we get all the matrices. Now let's proceed. It's given that, right, the given system of equation has infinite number of solution. So therefore, right, that determinant of that matrix is actually should be 0, right? So that's the condition. So here we'll say that thus the determinant of that matrix will be 0. Now, as the determinant of the matrix is 0, right? So therefore, right, we can say that we can expand the determinant of the matrix A and calculate the value of lambda, right? Let's go ahead. So we expand the determinant of the matrix A. Let's proceed, right? So if we expand it, right, we get it as 1 into lambda into minus 4 minus 2 into minus lambda. That's it. Then minus 1, 4 into minus 4 minus lambda into 3 plus 1 into 4 into 2, 3 into lambda, right? That's it. Which very simple expansion. We just expand with respect to the first row. Now, if we do the simple arithmetic calculation, right, in the step-by-step process, right, we will get a equation regarding that lambda, right? Let's proceed further. So if we do the arithmetic calculation, so first is minus 2 lambda, plus 16, minus 3 lambda, plus 8 and 3 lambda. So therefore we get an equation. So it says that 8 lambda is equal to 24. Lambda is equal to 3. So we get a linear equation, and that's it. Okay. So here we get that lambda equal to 3. So therefore for lambda equal to 3, the system of equation has infinitely many number of solution. So therefore my job is done. Let's proceed. But see that as you see the options, we are having a quadratic equation. So therefore we need to find out that which is this lambda equal to 3 is the roots or the zeros of which equation. Basically it should be roots. Okay, that's it. For polynomial it's 0, equation it's roots. That's it. Let's proceed. So now, as we see that, right, for lambda equal to 3, right, for lambda equal to 3, we consider that all the equations, so lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 4 puts lambda equal to 3, we get it is non-zero, right, minus 4. For the second equation, lambda square 3 lambda and minus 4, if we put down the value of lambda equal to 3, we get it again, it should be non-zero, right? 14. For the third equation, we get it as 0, right? So obviously lambda equal to 3 is the roots of this particular equation C. Let's test for the another equation, right? The last one, lambda squared plus lambda minus 6 is equal to non-zero, right? That's it. So therefore we can see that lambda equal to 3 is a solution of the equation lambda squared minus lambda minus 6, and hence option C for this problem is the correct solution. And that's it. It's a very simple problem. Hope you understood it. Thank you.